Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to do another unboxing, and this time we are going to unbox the Love Lula for the month of September 2020. So this is the box that just arrived today on my mail post, and I sprayed with a alcohol sanitizer, but let it sit a couple of hours, and now I will open it and see together with you what are the goodies that Love Lula has prepared for us for this month. If you want to see and hear more about this box, then just stay tuned. Love Lula is a monthly UK subscription that ships worldwide. Now, if you are in the UK, you can subscribe monthly and you'll pay £15 or £14.95. But if you live outside of UK, you can opt for 3, 6 or 12 month subscription. It's not like you are able to do a monthly reoccurrence. So what I'm doing is I'm taking every 3 months, I'm prepaying my 3-month subscription, and this is my second renewal of my 3-month subscription. For me to receive here this box together with shipping, it's somewhere around 17-18 pounds, which in US dollars may be a little bit over $20. Love Lula, it's a natural organic website, and it sells, because they have a huge online store, they sell a lot of good organic brands. So that's why I'm keeping this subscription, because all the time I'm getting things that I'm going to use: natural shampoos, natural deodorants, body wash, face cream, eye cream, sunscreen, whatever you name it, it is here. We don't have so much makeup, but I'm okay with that because I have anyway a lot of makeup. If I forget something, I will have list everything down below on my description box. And now let's go ahead and see what is it inside. So the packaging is not one of the most, high-end packaging, but I do appreciate that they have a recyclable packaging, and I think they are not paying too much for it. So as long as the content of the box is good, I'm not so bummed about the packaging. That is not a fancy one and personalized, we can say. So usually you have a scotch tape here to secure the box. The code is SEPBB20 and is valid until October 2020. And I will link it on my description box if you are interested to purchase something of those products or from those brands. The total value of your September beauty box is £62. This is what we have inside, and it's covered with worms. The first product that I'm grabbing is by Madara, and it's a anti-pollution charcoal and mud repair mask. And I think I have had this mask before from another subscription box. So Madara Smart Anti-Pollution Charcoal and Mud Repairing Mask. Give your skin a pollution and anti-aging antidote with this double action treatment based on antioxidant rich black northern mud and charcoal. Purifies and promotes skin cell renewal. Removes impurities and pollution build up. So I think I'm going to enjoy this because I like this kind of mask. So 12.5 milliliters. So this sounds like a deluxe size product, and I'm probably getting from here 2 to 3 uses depending how much I'm using. So if you want just to spot treat, to spot mask your face, you can only do it on your T-zone. So I suppose it is sealed. So yeah. But I have another one. I'm not sure if I finish it yet or not, but if I didn't finish it, I will take a close-up and show you how the product itself, it looks inside. Second product is by Dr. Botanicals, and is their hemp infused natural nutrition moisturizer. And I think I have had this product before. So this is a mattifying cream. Actually, it's really good for my oily skin. Hemp seed oil and cocoa butter infused day moisturizer that works to protect, nourish and hydrate your skin for a smooth looking complexion. Okay, so really excited about that. I suppose it sealed, but doesn't matter because my day cream is now gone. Yeah, it's the same product that I had before. So it is a green cream. It has a nice scent. Yeah, now my hand is completely matte, so the product was absorbed to the skin. So I love the sensation. To be honest, I would have preferred to have this product during summer when I'm more oily than during or toward winter when I do not produce so much oil. But yeah, this is not the fault of the product for sure. The next product is by Urban Vida. Urban Natural Skincare Rose Plus Botanic Reviving Renewal Night Cream. Uplift waning skin by applying this replenishing concentrated night cream. Okay, so this is a 20 ml night cream, which I will not swatch it, but I will test it on the other hand. So it is white. But hey, what's happening? Why they are not giving us so many full-size products? Oh, the scent it contains replenishing rose, organic pomegranate, and restorative rose hips. So for sure I can sense the rose. And it's good to use within 12 months. The next product, it is another brand that we have had before. So this is the Ayumi Facial Toner, a blend of proven actives and respected natural ingredients to maintain a clear complexion and natural radiance. Boost the efficacy of your follow-on skincare products with this toner. Okay, I'm not having any toner like this for sure, not in a full size, but I really enjoy this brand. So right now I'm using their body wash with tea tree, which is really nice and refreshing, and it's also the tea tree has the antibacterial property. And I also have still in use their shampoo from the same brand. Also, everything I have from them, it is from the Love Lula beauty box. So now I can tell you that the scent that is on this toner, it's similar with the one that I sense it on the shampoo. So really nice but natural scent. So now I see something which is really exciting. So it contains glow turmeric, exactly what I have on the shampoo, and papaya, but also glycolic acid. So yeah guys, I'm really excited about that because I'm currently using exfoliating pads that contain glycolic acid, but I think I only have a couple of them. And this month we have the 5th product, I suppose because we've got less size product. The last product is it by another nice organic brand. So this is by Inika. And this is their mineral mattifying powder. This mineral mattifying powder, it's a loose powder with a silky blend to the lightest minerals to create a naturally matte finish. A multi-purpose product. It can be used instead of or after foundation. So I'm currently almost running out of my favorite setting powder. So if this is nice, I will be really happy to get it. So look how nice is the packaging. Yeah, this is definitely whitish. It's buttery, but seems to mattify and to reduce the pores. So for 1750 pounds, as much as is coming the total price that I paid for this month, I'm getting a Madara anti-pollution charcoal and mud repairing face mask, a Dr. Botanical hemp infused moisturizer, a night cream by Urban Vida, a full-size toner by Ayumi that is infused with glycolic acid, and a deluxe size setting powder by Inika Organics, and we do get here 3.5 grams. So overall I'm really excited, and I think it's one of my favorite months from Love Lula. Now it's your turn to let me know if you are interested about purchasing this box. Don't forget that this box, Love Lula, they ship worldwide. Every brands that are inside, they are organic, natural, certified brands. So yeah, if you have any other questions about the products that are on this month's box or related to Love Lula beauty subscription, don't forget to leave them down below on my subscription box. And other than that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing with your life? Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you can also follow me on my social, that is always linked down below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up to this video. Don't forget to smile if you haven't smiled today. Maybe I was able to bring you a bit of a smile on your face. And other than that, I want to wish you all to have a great, fantastic day, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. Mwah.